Yeah, watch what Poppy does now.
Poppy?
Come here, look over here. See, he's going to grab that rabbit.
Come here, I'm not gonna hurt you.
You hear it? He's scared. He's scared. See, don't worry, rabbit. See?
He's not gonna hurt.
See, it's okay. We're going to save you. See, you're not very hungry. Yeah, hurry, Haynes. Go up.
Dude, he's smaller than I thought.
He is a really baby.
Yeah, I thought he was just born because that's smaller than I thought.
Well, maybe a couple weeks. I don't know. Go out the front door.
Why?
That's where we always let him loose.
Whoa.
Up here, usually,
Up here.
so he can hide in the bushes. Okay. Yeah. That's their protection. That's how he ends up in the window well.
You want to pet him? He isn't gonna hurt you.
Why? Oh, he's
Fluffy, huh?
Okay.
that.
You better let him
Don't
go
get
before he
don't
gets...
get your fingers by his mouth. But,
Yeah.
You can pet his ears.
See his little ears? Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna turn him loose.
Yeah, better turn him loose.
Right here.
Oh, right there. Now watch him go. Stand back from him so he doesn't get too scared. There he goes. So you forgot your carrot. Put it down and he'll come back and get it later. Put it close to the bushes where he feels protected to eat it. And he might come back.
He's really hungry.
He might be hungry.
We should give him some water.
Okay, now Poppy has to go back down and put the screen back in probably. Oh, there'll be water out here for him.
Where's the water?
They drink water off of leaves and everything.
Rabbit.
Yeah, the rabbit went that way, didn't it? Yeah, he lives over there. Yeah, he'll come back and get the carrot, maybe.
Oh, he said carrots.
Yeah, she did say carrot, yeah.
Good job. He said carrot.
Okay, ladies, that was exciting.
He was smaller than I thought.
He was pretty tiny. How big was he?
This big.
Yeah, just a baby, yeah.
Hot
It was hot?
and cold.
It was cold?
Yeah.